Namaste and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Vishnu Chandu and in this video I am trying to discussing about the roadmap to become a data analyst in 2024. So without wasting any time, har har Mahadev ke start karte tutorial. If you are wanting to be a data analyst in 2024, first job is to choose one programming language. So there are so much programming language are available in market like Python, C++, Java, MATLAB and so on. In technically you need to choose one programming language. So in my site it's Python. Using Python, you can also do the object-oriented programming. And also in Python, there are so many built-in libraries are available, especially for data analysis and data visualization and also the data manipulation. Unlike pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and so on. Otherwise, you can also go for on another programming language that's called R. And I also conduct a series that's called the Daredevil Python Machine Learning Library. Here we're discussing about the pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and also some exciting projects about the data analysis. So that's all about the programming languages. Now let's go for the step number 2. In step number 2, you need to choose one databases. So there are so many databases language are available in the market like SQL and NoSQL. In the SQL, you can learn the MySQL, and in the NoSQL, you can learn the MongoDB. So which one is working just like the JSON file format? So in our new playlist that's called the Daredevil Python Machine Learning Library, we already discussing about the EDA part. I mean the EDA library in Python. In the next series, we are trying to cover the MongoDB also. So if you are new to my channel, so just subscribe it and follow the Daredevil Python Machine Learning Library series. So in step number 3, you need to learn the statistic, which one is really very important part in the data analysis. There are so many topics are available like chi-square value, the p-value, the z value, the hypothesis testing, percentile, 25% percentiles, the curve, bell curve, or the Gaussian distribution, right? Normal distributions, all the topic you need to learn about that. Don't worry, I'll come with that tutorial also. We already covered here the data analysis. We already launched the course on our YouTube channels. In the next, we're going to go on the databases. That's called the MongoDB. So the step number 4 is called the business intelligence. In the business intelligence, you can learn some tools like Power BI and also called the Tableau, right? So that's what actually working based on the KPIs, to design the KPIs, which one is really important in the point of view of the business analyst, right? If you want to get one job in the business analyst, you need to learn about that, like Power BI, how can you design a dashboard, right? All of the tasks, right? You don't need to know about the Python, but if you want to go from the data analyst to the data science, you need to learn about that, the Python, the programming language, the databases, how can you pull the data from the different data sources. You need to learn about that. So that's it for my site, and I'm trying to make the tutorial on that, and you already make the tutorial on the data analysis part. The next part discussing about the databases, then you go for the statistics and also the business analytics tools, or you can say business intelligence tool like Power BI, the Tableau, and so on, right? So just hit the like button and also do the subscribe, right? So I'll be back with the tutorial. So till then, take care and bye bye.